What if I've told you that ATO might already know more about your finances than you think? ATO is using smarter data matching, artificial intelligence, and information from employers, banks, and digital platforms to identify mistakes faster than ever before. And here is the thing, it doesn't take tax fraud to get flagged. Even small innocent mistakes could delay your refund, trigger a review, or result in penalties. Hi, I'm Ash from ClearTax. In this video, I will walk you through ATO's biggest tax time focus areas for 2026, the common mistakes Australians are making, and how you can avoid them. Many taxpayers still believe the ATO only checks what they report. That's no longer how it works. The ATO has become far more advanced when it comes to checking tax returns. Today, it receives data from a wide range of sources, including your employer, banks, investment platforms, share registers, cryptocurrency exchanges, digital platforms like Airbnb, Uber, and even other government agencies. The information is automatically matched against the details in your tax return. So whether you have earned rental income, made money from investments, or trade crypto, or picked up an extra income through a side hustle, there are good chances that ATO already has that information. The biggest change in 2026 isn't that ATO is looking at more things. It can now detect mistakes much faster and far greater accuracy. Once again, work-related deductions are the ATO's #1 focus. Every year, millions of Australians claim deductions, but many claims are adjusted simply because people misunderstood the rules. Before claiming any expense, ask yourself these 3 questions. Did I pay for it myself? Was it directly related to earning my income? Do I have records to prove it? If the answer of any of those questions is no, you probably shouldn't claim it. The ATO is paying particular attention to claims for personal clothing, gifts, childcare expenses, other private costs that people sometimes mistakenly include as a work expense. Remember, keeping your receipts is just as important as claiming the deductions itself. Speaking of records, let's talk about other areas where documentation really matters. If you're claiming work from home expenses this year, don't assume the fixed rate method means you can skip the paperwork. The ATO still expects you to keep evidence for the hours you have worked from home. That could be diary, timesheets, roster, or any other reliable record. Another mistake they are seeing is what's known as a double dipping. For example, claiming internet or electricity separately when those costs are already included in a fixed rate method. It is an easy mistake to make, but it is also one that ATO is actively checking for. Now let's move to the property investors, side hustlers, and cryptocurrency holders. If you own an investment property, this is the area you should pay close attention to. The ATO continues to review claims for interest expenses, repairs, borrowing costs, and whether expenses have been claimed correctly. Holiday homes are receiving even closer scrutiny this year. If you or your family uses the property privately or it wasn't genuinely available for rent, you may not be entitled to claim the full deduction. Whether you are driving for Uber, renting out your property on an Airbnb, selling products online, freelancing, or earning money through your digital platforms, that income generally needs to be included in your tax return. Many people think it's only a little extra income. The ATO doesn't see it that way. Many investors still believe tax only applies when they convert crypto into Australian dollars. That's a common misconception. Selling crypto, swapping one coin with another one, staking rewards, or many DeFi transactions can all create tax obligations. And because ATO receives information directly from many cryptocurrency exchanges, these transactions are becoming much easier to track. If you're unsure about your deductions, have investment properties, cryptocurrencies, or multiple income sources, getting professional advice before lodging your return can make all the difference. At ClearTax, we help individuals, investors, and business owners prepare accurate tax returns while making sure they claim everything they're legally entitled to without unnecessary risk. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is about to lodge their tax return. Thank you.